I am so excited about this one.
Me too.
Are you?
I am.
Because this has like everything you like.
It does.
Chocolate.
It does.
Coconut. Pineapple.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
All right, well, let's get to it.
What's it called? Dirty banana? Dirty monkey. Do you want to call it dirty monkey? Want to call it something else?
You call it whatever you want.
Chunky monkey?
Are we chunky? Funky monkey.
Funky monkey. Funky monkey. I like funky monkey. We're going with it. We're going with it. Today on Spontooneous, we are making the funky monkey.
Yes.
It gets 2 ounces of rum.
2 ounces of banana puree.
Teresa made banana puree for this particular drink.
Yeah, it took all day.
It gets 1 ounce of Kahlua or coffee liqueur.
2 ounces of pineapple juice.
1 ounce of coconut cream. No. We've made 4 or 5 drinks tonight, so.
Shh. Sip it. This is our first drink.
We're going to shake this one.
Oh.
There's a method to the madness here. Hold that cup. Just spin the cup as I pour. You ready?
I feel some pressure.
Spin. There we go. Not that fast. Pour it out, baby. Funky monkey.
Monkey, monkey.
Do it, baby. Do it. Come on, come on, come on. Just a wee violent there.
Are you ready yet?
Oh my God, you gotta be me. Wait, let's test my flexibility. Okay, ready?
You want me to suck
2 sucks.
twice?
And then we'll both stop.
Well, how about I suck 3 times?
Funky monkey time.
Funky monkey.
Rule breaker. I'm loving that.
All right, I like that.
What do you say we finish it?
Remember, guys, be spontaneous.
Thanks for joining us.
It's gone. It's gone.